Depending on the frequency of use, you may notice a difficulty in turning the handle of the directional control valve on an EXAIR chip trapper. Normally, this is caused by debris within one of the passageways of the directional control valve. This video will show you how to clean out the directional control valve. To do so, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a marker. First, remove the plastic screw that holds down the directional control valve handle. This can be done by hand. Remove the plastic screw, the handle, and set them to the side. Now, we'll remove all the screws that hold down the gate valve. Take the screws and set them to the side. I usually like to put them right on the drum. Now, use your flathead screwdriver to drive a wedge between the directional control valve and the gate valve, just to pop it up. Using your marker, mark the gate valve for its position on the directional control valve assembly. This will ensure when you reassemble, it goes in exactly the same place. Now, remove the gate valve. Inside of this unit, we have some debris from a machining process. Some chips, long stringy chips, and they've gotten stuck into the channels of the directional control valve assembly. We'll remove all the chips that we can by hand from all the channels. Then, we'll use a compressed air gun with the chip shield to remove the remaining debris. With all of the debris removed, it's time for us to examine the gate valve. Check the O-ring on the gate valve to make sure it doesn't have any damage, and check the seal on the gate valve itself. Now, using the mark we made during disassembly, line up the mark on the gate valve to the directional control valve. From this point, reassembly is a reversal of disassembly. We'll take the screws, install them into the gate valve, put on the handle, and tighten it down by hand. After getting all the screws in, I like to go around one more time just to make sure they're snug. Now, install the directional control valve handle and the plastic screw by hand. At this point, this unit is ready for use. The directional control valve turns fully, and this unit is back in operation.